Hi guys. Today's video is very interesting for watch lovers. Amazfit GTR 2 smartwatch launching in India. If you like my video, then do not forget to subscribe my channel KJ Game Tech Studio. The Amazfit GTR 2 is Xiaomi's latest smartwatch in India, launching right in time for the holiday season. It is one of the more premium offerings from the brand, but has a lot to justify that price tag. The GTR 2 is a part of Amazfit's flagship GT series, which also includes the GTS 2 and the GTS Mini. Amazfit is amongst the top fitness tracker companies in India, with devices such as the Beep being highly popular during the festive season. It now offers a complete range of wearables, ranging from the budget segment to the high-end. Amazfit GTR 2 price in India. In India, the Amazfit GTR 2 is priced at 12,999 rupees for the Sport Edition and 13,499 rupees for the Classic Edition. It is already available for pre-ordering on Flipkart. Customers ordering the smartwatch before December 17th will get an additional replaceable strap for free. Design and display. The Amazfit GTR 2 is a classic circular design smartwatch from the company. As said earlier, it comes in two variants, Classic and Sports. The Sports Edition comes with aluminum alloy dial which is paired with a black strap, while the Classic Edition comes with stainless steel dial and a black strap combo. It is an AMOLED screen with 454 by 454 pixels resolution. It comes with a 3D curved bezel-less design. It is a touchscreen watch with a scratch-resistant fascia. There are two crown buttons on the side which helps to navigate through the interface. Features. Most people go for the Amazfit smartwatch because of the fitness features they offer. The Amazfit GTR 2 is no exception here. The watch comes with 12 sports modes which include tracking your outdoor running, walking, indoor cycling, pool swimming, elliptical, open water swimming, climbing, trail running, treadmill, skiing, and free training. The wearable comes with built-in GPS, which means you can go for a run leaving your phone behind and the watch will track your activities. On a single charge, the Amazfit GTR 2 can last up to 14 days. It also gets 3 GB storage to keep all your music playlists. One of the major selling points of the product is the stress monitoring to support your mental health by measuring your stress throughout the day and suggesting ways to help you relax. Other features include watch faces, sedentary reminder, sleep tracking and Pi score. The Amazfit GTR 2 is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. You'll need to download the new Zepp application to get started. For connectivity, there is Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi support. Other sensors on board include air pressure sensor, acceleration sensor, gyroscope sensor, 3-axis geomagnetic sensor, ambient light sensor.